Ayan. All right. So today we will be having a next topic about the statics of rigid bodies, the couple force. So we have here couple is parang moment lang din to. We have here an example of the couple force. The rigid structural member is subjected to a couple consisting of the two 100 Newton forces. So, saan ba yun? Okay. Ito yung forces na yan na 100. Replace this couple by the equivalent couple consisting of two forces. Ito, i-replace natin ito ng couple. Ito, i-replace natin yan ng couple force each of which has a magnitude of 400 Newton. So, determine the proper angle. So, ito yung angle niya. So, ibig sabihin is kukunin natin yung moment dito or yung couple force nito, tapos isusubstitute natin dito sa magiging couple force niya with respect to the proper angle na maging equal yung force dito or yung couple dito, yung couple force dito na maging equal doon sa taas. So, in top view, ito yun. Ito yung 100 Newton in top view. Ito. Okay, so mag-take tayo ng moment dito or any point dito sa edge. Kayo bahala kung ano yung mas mainam yung gawin. Pwede din dito, pwede din dito. Okay, so take ako dito. So that is 100 times 0.1 Newton. So yung 0.1 is kinonvert natin itong 100 mm sa meters. Okay, so kaya meron tayong unit na 10 Newton meter. Yun yung magiging couple force natin dito sa baba. Or yun yung magiging moment force. Okay, so ngayon, itong moment force is dapat we will replace this couple by the equivalent couple consisting of the two forces. So, i-replace natin itong couple by these two forces. Kaya lang, may magnitude din tayo dito na 400 Newton. Okay. So, ano naman yung mangyayari dyan sa 400 Newton na yan? Tapos, determine pa the proper angle. So, ganito naman yun. Okay, kunin natin yung top view niya. Tapos, ito. Ito yung magiging angle niya. Yan. Tapos, ito yung force P. Yung P. Tapos, kukunin lang natin itong component ng force nitong P. Okay? And then, I will take the moment here. Kung magmo-moment ako dito, wala itong lever arm or moment arm. At saka wala din itong lever arm. Okay? Kasi dito ako magmo-moment. So, ibig sabihin, yung kailangan ko lang, ito lang. Itong force lang along X. Along this direction. Okay. So, plot natin yan. Okay. So, ito, meron tayong 400 Newton na magnitude. Ito yung 400 Newton na magnitude. At din kukunin lang natin ito. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, that is cosine opposite over the hypotenuse. Tapos, take natin ito yon. Tapos, take natin yung lever arm niya. Multiply natin sa lever arm niya. Ito yung lever arm niya or moment arm na 40 mm or 0.04 meters. Okay? Now, we will replace the value of P. So, ganito yung mangyayari na. And then, i-equate natin itong moment na din, dito sa moment na, kasi yun yung sabi, replace this couple by the equivalent couple consisting of the two forces P and negative P. Okay? So, i-replace na natin yan. Yan. Moment is equal to moment. So, ito na yon. And then, masusolve natin the values of theta. And that is the value of 58.318. Okay, I hope na medyo na-gets nyo itong problem natin. Kasi yung sabi is replace this couple by the equivalent couple consisting of the two forces, P and negative P, of which has a magnitude of 400 Newton. So, ganun lang.